What's up, guys? Another Wednesdays with Wesley. It's Wednesday and I'm Wesley. I know you're wondering, how did I get that little cut on my head? Well, it brings me to the thing I'm a little annoyed about today, but yeah, unfortunately, when you bend over to get that Reese's that you don't need at the airport and you're not paying attention, you hit your head on the, I don't know, with the credit card machine and you almost get a concussion and whatever. Anyway, it brings me to airports and more specifically airplanes. Look, when the plane lands, you don't have to stand up. You're in aisle 35. I was in 35E, okay? People are standing up all around me. They're over your shoulders. They're breathing on you for 20, 30 minutes while we're sitting there waiting to get off the plane. What good did that do? You're not going anywhere. You're not getting up there any faster by standing. If you need to stretch, I get it. But unless you're doing a full-blown stretching routine with all, I don't know, 100 of your best friends surrounding you like you were at Lollapalooza or something like that, you're not going anywhere. It's okay to sit down and wait. Please. No? All right. Anyway, let's get to it. All right, discovery, let's talk about it real quick, okay? Discovery / evidence. So many of you come into my office and you tell me you don't know how much your spouse makes, or you don't know exactly how many bank accounts they have. And there was a time where I was like, wow, that's interesting, but that actually happens a lot. So you're not alone in that. And guess what? There's a process that we can go through that allows us to find out that information. So once an answer is filed, I can file what's called discovery interrogatories or request for production of documents. Don't worry about the ins and outs of those, but basically it means that I can ask questions such as, who is your employer? How long have you worked there? How much money did you make last year? Well, I don't know. What are the reasons why your spouse is an unfit person to have custody? All right. I can also then request that they provide their last couple of years of bank statements or credit card statements. And obviously, this is going to help us find out things such as how much money and assets does somebody have, how much debt they have, what things they've been spending their money on, especially if we're dealing with a case like, I don't know, adultery. Because every time someone goes to Vegas, it's not to bet on black. Remember, always bet on black. So, but evidence discovery, we got to go through it. It's a good thing, though. It allows us to properly resolve your case, whether that be by agreement or in front of the court. All right. So that's pretty much it. Next week, we're going to do a Wednesdays with Wesley. We may bring someone else in. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. You know, I'm not one to really share the spotlight here. But anyway, make sure you call us. Make sure you email us if you have any issues in the fields of personal injury, immigration, family law, or criminal, because we're here for you. If you need us, we don't want you to need us. But if you do, give us a call. See ya.